Hi there. In this video we'll be taking a look at this Tin Snips set. If you ever needed to cut sheet metal, you realized quite quickly that standard, I don't know, shears, are they shears? Anyway, have, I don't know, affinity to cutting from one side or another, and if you need to cut in reverse, you either go and cut from the other end or you will not be cutting easily. Well, left cut, right cut, straight cut. Normally these three should be able to help you in all possible situations. I do have somewhat like this. I think it's 20 years old and it's quite bad, but these things should be much better, hopefully. If you want any info about it, some codes, IAN number right there, a bit of info. So chrome vanadium, forged chrome vanadium steel blade, cuts up to 1.2 millimeters copper, black steel. I will write on video what this is because I don't remember now. Yeah, sorry, I know it, but I don't remember now. And 0.8 millimeters stainless steel. Yeah, stainless steel is harder to cut and also drill, so there's that. Safe lock mechanism, comfortable handles, yes, ergonomics with rings for so maybe you can hang this onto something in your workspace. Yeah, the type of shears. Okay, and this is the length of them, 245 millimeters. Okay, so you can see how this is bending, and this is bending the other side, and this is kind of bending both sides half. Let's open this and I'll show you the old one, and then we'll continue the review when I actually need to cut something. Just in case you need info for warranty, I think it's the same email for all languages, and the old one that I have, I think my father bought and gave this to me. Yeah, it did its job. Handle, yeah, not good, but anyway, works. Not great, but still works. These new ones, metal seems to be about the same thickness, overall about the same constructions, feels obviously much nicer in the hand. Safety lock right here, if I could actually lock it with one hand, yep, I could. Materials overall, quite similar to this one, honestly. What did we do here? Probably we needed, or was it like this from factory, so metal has a place to run next to. Anyway, this doesn't seem to have that chamfer, and I don't think I did here because it's black. Anyway, more or less about the same thingy, but with more possibilities at the end of the day, more options for depending what you need to cut. And again, this is old and beat up and doesn't cut properly anymore. Hopefully these three will, and obviously you will see that in the video. Only having good handles as opposed to this one is also a big plus, and I think it was about 10 euros, less than 10 euros for all of them, probably 9 euros or something like that, all three. Cutting with this for the first time, I think it's half of a millimeter thick, or maybe between half a millimeter and 1 millimeter. I'm too lazy to measure it. Anyway, it's, yeah, you can bend it with your hand in this size, but not extremely easily, so it is fairly strong. Let's see how easy this cuts it. Let's go and cut. Whoa, it's like cutting some butter. It was like there was nothing in there. Okay, this cuts well. Leave this, I think the serrations are there, so it grips onto the sheet metal. It doesn't allow it to run away from you. Okay, that's good. So I'm using this one to cut some nails, a strip of nails for this thing, because I was an idiot and I bought them too long. Only the 15 millimeters are okay for it, and this has 20, 25 and also 30. But if I can cut them, maybe I can use them. To my surprise, it actually cut them without getting significant damage, but who would have thought? Nails are hard as nails, and now they don't have a tip anymore, so no idea if they will actually go in, because I don't want to try and make a tip of them on something, as they are already coming apart from the strip. So yeah, I guess a lesson for me: next time don't be an idiot and check what you buy. Using them for something completely unplanned, I need to cut this. I will link the video in the description. It's floor protection from IKEA, but I'm using it in my workspace. I had an area that was uncovered, so I made the exact shape of it. And this, which does not force it neither up or down, the straight one works perfectly. The other ones didn't really work for this job, neither of them. This is working perfectly, so it's really nice to have all options. And for the little edge that can actually bend, I took this one, which is forcing the exterior on the right side to bend. If I would need to cut on that side, I would take the red one to force the exterior to bend, and what's remaining remains straight. So yeah, it's nice to have a full set. And yeah, that's about it for this video. I'm not going to wait any longer. I rarely have jobs where I need to cut sheet metal, but yeah, it seems they are good. They are cutting good. The geometry of them is good for various use scenarios, and yeah, that's about it. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Check out my other videos, maybe subscribe, and see you in the next one. And now I just saw that this thing, you can actually hang them. They have holes to hang them, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, anyway, bye.